English Easy Practice. Do you want to learn English vocabulary faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Then, welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive learning experience designed to improve your English speaking skills.
Let's get started.
Hello, English learners, and welcome back to the English Easy Practice podcast. I'm Emily.
And I'm Mike. We're really happy you're here with us today.
In this podcast, we talk about real, everyday English. We help you learn useful words and phrases for daily life.
That's right. And today's topic is very special. It's called the power of positive thinking. Change your mindset, change your life.
We're going to talk about how having a positive attitude can help you learn better, feel better, and do better in life.
So, if you sometimes feel tired, stressed, or worried about learning English, don't worry. We're here to help you stay strong and motivated.
Today's episode will help you in two big ways. First, it will help you practice listening and speaking in English. And second, we hope it gives you motivation to stay positive and never give up.
So get ready. We'll start with a short conversation that's full of helpful English. Then we'll learn new vocabulary, ask you some easy questions, and do shadowing practice together.
Let's have fun and let's learn together. The power of positive thinking. Hi, Mark. Why are you always so happy and motivated?
Because I believe in positive thinking. When I think good thoughts, I feel stronger and learn better.
Really? Does it help with studying?
Yes. If I say, I can do this, instead of, this is too hard, my brain works better. Positive thoughts make learning easier.
But what if I fail?
Failure is just a step to success. Positive people see mistakes as lessons. They try again and improve.
That sounds nice. How can I start?
First, smile more. Then, replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Say, I will try my best every day.
Okay, I'll try. Maybe my grades will improve too.
Exactly. A positive mindset changes everything. You'll see success soon.
Thanks, Mark. I feel more hopeful already. So, before we learn new words, let's talk more about today's topic, positive thinking. Mike, do you believe that changing your mindset can change your life?
Yes, I really do. When we think in a positive way, we feel better. We're more confident, more open to learning, and we don't give up so easily.
That's so true. I've seen many students who say, I can't do this, or my English is bad. But when they change their mindset and say, I will try my best, or I'm improving every day, their English gets much better.
Exactly. Positive thinking helps your brain stay calm. When you feel good, you remember more, speak more clearly, and learn faster. It's not magic. It's a real change in how your mind works.
And it's okay to make mistakes. Positive people don't feel bad when they make a mistake. They just say, that's okay, I'll try again.
Right. So if you're listening right now and you sometimes feel shy or scared, remember this. You can change your life by changing how you think.
Say good things to yourself. Be kind to yourself. And every day, take one small step forward.
All right, now let's learn some great words from today's conversation.
Let's start our vocabulary section.
Yeah, these words will help you understand and use English better in real life.
Vocabulary. Thoughts. A thought is something you think in your mind. It can be a good idea or a feeling.
Example: I try to think happy thoughts when I feel sad. Replace. To replace means to take one thing away and put something new in its place.
Example: I replaced my old phone with a new one. Grades. Grades are the scores or marks you get in school or on a test.
Example: if I study every day, my grades will get better. Mindset. Your mindset is the way you think about things, your attitude.
Example: with a positive mindset, you can learn anything. Great job! Now that you know these words, it's time to practice speaking.
Let's go to the next part. Speaking practice with the listen and answer method.
Now it's time to practice speaking. We'll ask you some easy questions about the conversation between Anna and Mark. After each question, pause the video and say your answer out loud. Speaking out loud is very important. It helps you train your mouth and brain to speak English more easily.
If you don't know the answer, no problem. Just listen and repeat. You can watch this part many times. The more you repeat this practice, the faster your English will improve. So don't be shy, say your answers with a smile, and keep going. Answer the questions out loud.
Hi, Mark. Why are you always so happy and motivated?
Was Anna happy and motivated? No, she wasn't. She wasn't happy and motivated. Who was happy and motivated? Mark. Mark was happy and motivated. Because I believe in positive thinking. When I think good thoughts, I feel stronger and learn better. Why was Mark happy and motivated? Because he believes in positive thinking. What does Mark believe in? Positive thinking. He believes in positive thinking. Does Mark think good thoughts or bad thoughts? Good thoughts. He thinks good thoughts. How does Mark feel when he thinks good thoughts? Stronger. He feels stronger and learns better.
Really? Does it help with studying?
Yes. If I say, I can do this, instead of, this is too hard, my brain works better. Does positive thinking help with studying? Yes, it does. It helps with studying. What happens when Mark says, I can do this? His brain works better. Positive words help his brain. What does Mark say instead of, this is too hard? I can do this. He says, I can do this. Positive thoughts make learning easier. What makes learning easier? Positive thoughts. Positive thoughts make learning easier.
But what if I fail?
Failure is just the step to success. Is failure bad according to Mark? No, it isn't. Failure is not bad. What is failure according to Mark? A step to success. Failure is a step to success. Positive people see mistakes as lessons. They try again and improve. What do positive people see mistakes as? Lessons. They see mistakes as lessons. What do positive people do after a mistake? They try again and improve.
That sounds nice. How can I start?
First, smile more. Then, replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Say, I will try my best every day. How can Anna start thinking positively? She can smile more and replace negative thoughts. What should Anna say every day? I will try my best. She should say, I will try my best.
Okay, I'll try. Maybe my grades will improve too.
Exactly. A positive mindset changes everything. You'll see success soon. Will Anna's grades improve if she thinks positively? Yes, her grades will improve.
Thanks, Mark. I feel more hopeful already.
How does Anna feel at the end of the conversation? Hopeful. She feels more hopeful.
Now let's practice shadowing. You'll hear one speaker's line. Listen carefully, then say it out loud. After that, read the other speaker's line yourself. You'll take turns speaking both parts of the conversation.
If it's too fast, just pause or slow down the video. Repeat this practice often. Shadowing helps you speak more clearly, naturally, and with confidence.
Hi, Mark. Why are you always so happy and motivated? Really? Does it help with studying? But what if I fail? That sounds nice. How can I start? Okay, I'll try. Maybe my grades will improve too. Thanks, Mark. I feel more hopeful already.
Because I believe in positive thinking. When I think good thoughts, I feel stronger and learn better. Yes, if I say, I can do this, instead of, this is too hard, my brain works better. Positive thoughts make learning easier. Failure is just a step to success. Positive people see mistakes as lessons. They try again and improve. First, smile more. Then, replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Say, I will try my best every day. Exactly. A positive mindset changes everything. You'll see success soon.
Great job today! Remember, the best way to improve your English speaking skills is to watch this video many times. The more you repeat, the better you will speak.
And don't forget to check out our other videos on our English Easy Practice YouTube channel. We have more lessons to help you speak English with confidence.
You can also visit our website, EnglishEasyPractice.com, for free downloads, more practice, and helpful resources.
And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment or ask us a question. Emily and I are always happy to help.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you in the next lesson, and remember to stay positive.